features here. Welcome to Colorlight and check out the latest technology with us. This is Shana from Colorlight. Let me introduce you our latest product, VX10. It's a LED video controller designed for mid to high-end rental stage and fine-pitch fixed installation projects. Let's take a closer look. The VX10 supports a maximum input of 4K UHD signals through HDMI 2.0, and there are multiple interfaces for various inputs. When it comes to output, you'll find 10 Ethernet ports and 2 fiber optic outputs. VX10 has many features. It supports HDR display, delivering richer colors and delicate details. Beyond that, it ensures zero latency in bypass mode for strict synchronization. To ensure the stage control stability, its hot input backup feature achieves auto switching between signal sources of the same type, and there are monitoring and previewing throughout the whole process. Screen parameters can be imported through USB with storage for up to 16 sets of parameters and app mapping methods on the front panel. The VX10 truly achieves computer-free screen configuration. Hope you've learned more about VX10. Looking forward to sharing more powerful features with you.